In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add transitions to multiple clips at once in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have multiple clips here in my timeline and I want to add a transition to all of them. First, we're going to make sure you have a default transition selected. So go to Video Transitions, and then here I'm using Dissolve, and I'm using the Cross Dissolve, as you can see by the blue border around this one. If you want something else, you can right-click that transition and then choose Set as a default transition. Now, if you want to apply it to all of your clips, you just select all of them by dragging over it and then pressing Ctrl or Command D. As you can see, now my default transition has been added everywhere in my clip. Now, this goes for video transitions. You can also add audio transitions. So I'm going to Command Z here, and the audio transitions, if you open it here in your effects window, which by the way, if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Effects. And the audio transitions has a crossfade, and here you can also see that my default audio transition is a constant power. Now what I can do then is select this and press Ctrl or Command Shift D. And as you can now see, I have added an audio transition only to my audio clip. So that's if you want to just add audio clip transitions. Same thing, you select them, but then you press Ctrl Command Shift D. And for video transitions, you select them all and you press Ctrl Command D. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.